Hello, this is new, but quick thing about resistance bands. So two kinds that I've come across. One that I'm going to show you in this video for a couple of exercises, which is one like this blue one here. Separate, they come in different sizes, but they're not looped together. We've got this one, which I have used with a couple of you in sessions before. I find they're both just as good as each other. Personally, the one that I'm going to use in this video, the blue one, is a lot easier to adapt to different exercises, but they're both just as good as each other. So if we move on to this video here of myself doing a bent over row. So what you do, first things first, is you're going to step between the band here and you're going to wrap your hands around it. Set your feet shoulder apart and have a slight bend in your knees. You can see that I've wrapped my hands in it there. All that's doing is that's giving myself more resistance through the exercise. So the more you wrap your hands into it, the more difficult you're going to make the exercise. Then bend your knees slightly, bring your upper body down, keep a neutral spine through the whole movement, pin your shoulder blades together. Like we've said in sessions before with a few of you, imagine you're holding a pencil case or a water bottle between your shoulder blades and you're pinning those together. That's going to bring everything in line. It's going to take the tension out of your mid and lower back. From there, keep your elbows as close as you can to your body and you're going to drive up, down nice and slowly, up and down. Thank you. So with this exercise, you should be feeling it. You'll feel it through your triceps and you'll also feel it middle of your upper back and into your traps here. Try and keep your tension nice and slowly with it. So imagine you're driving your elbows up for about 2 seconds, hold it at the top for 1 and release it for 3. With this one, you want to be hitting around 4 sets of about 10 to 12. If it's easy, obviously just wrap your hands up more and more and more, and that's going to give you a lot more tension through it and make the exercise harder.